Hello, everyone. Hello, friends.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to LKMIS. This is Meenakshi
Thank you
Antu.
so much.
We,
Hello,
I,
Meenakshi ji.
is it working? Okay. So today we will discuss about the impact of COVID on women, especially the women and the women administrators. Today, the topic of our session will be women oriented. So first of all, I would like to invite all my guests, Mrs. Poonam Gautam. She is rank 3 UPPCS. Now we have Sobia Saad.
Hi everyone.
Hello, ma'am. She is a block development officer in Jammu Kashmir Administrative Services, and we also have Shreya, ma'am.
Hi,
She
hello
is
everyone.
accounts officer in Rajasthan Administrative Services. Hello, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome you all. So, thank you, ladies, for joining me on the program today. So, first of all, I would like to tell you about the session, how it will go. Today, I will be moderating the session and I'm going to ask questions to my guest. So, Dr. Poonam ma'am,
Hello.
let me
Yes.
first take you in. So, welcome you, ma'am. My question to you is, ma'am, is it the mindset of our society that after marriage, girls can't study, girls can't prepare for UPSC or for other any competitive exam? So what's your take on it? What's your advice on it? And how was your journey? Can you tell us about your journey? What are the struggles? What are the difficulties you faced during your preparation? And being a mother of a cute daughter, how motherhood being a challenge to you during your preparation? So ma'am, please put things into the
First
perspective.
of all, hello. First of all, thank you, Meenakshi ji, in LCAM platform that you have given this opportunity to us
Pleasure to have
and
you.
to discuss the things. And because this time, I think everybody is stressed, having problems just because of COVID, along with exam stress and some, responsibilities of whatever the role they are playing in their family. So I think this is a very important session because everybody wants such kind of session where we can discuss the things and at least we can relieve a little bit stress of the others also. And first of all, like as you said to me, as a mindset, so I said yes, a little bit is definitely there present because now society is changing, but still there is some kind of groups where you can see this kind of attitude that yes, now the marriage and the motherhood, and these are the ultimate goal for the female, especially in the rural area. And but when female are getting education, they are moving apart and aspiring for civil services. Now I think situation is little bit better than the earlier. But yes, particular in my case, and one thing more that due to COVID, this what we can say, the gap is now is I think increasing, because as a female we have to play a little bit different role, that is in at home, as a sister or as a daughter, or if you are married then many other roles. So because of that there is a very less time to the things you have to the remaining time that you can devote to your studies. So no doubt there is a challenges to the female. But what I can say in my case, being a mother, I had different challenges along with, because my family is very supportive. That is the first point, which is very supportive for me and for every female which is married. But the thing is that, but there is a other component, that is emotional component. Because being a mother, it's very difficult to stay apart from your kids and devote your whole time to your study. So this sometime I feel very low and emotionally very difficult to manage my emotions and put effort on concentrating on my study actually. But anyway, this preparation also gives opportunity to maintain me balance between these two. And I think the preparation itself makes me very strong and also help me in balancing my both professional and personal things apart. And being a doctor, I was also working as a doctor, so it's a very difficult to manage the profession along with the preparation. So that thing also managed by the some kind of the decision which I have taken, like in the form of I've chosen the private practice, not as a government doctor, so that I can put effort in my preparation rather than just to looking my patients only. So these are certain, I think, steps which I have taken. Now अगर मैं ये बात करती हूँ कि इस समय का अगर टाइम देखते हैं, जो कोविड के टाइम पे पर्टिकुलरली अगर हम बात करें, तो मेरे ख्याल से सब हर पर्सन जो है या हर फैमिली हम कह सकते हैं, ये सेकंड वेव ने बहुत ज़्यादा सबको इम्पैक्ट किया है। और जहाँ तक बात फीमेल की है, फीमेल के इम्पैक्ट की और मैरिड फीमेल की, तो नो डाउट उन पे एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन आया है, क्योंकि जो हाई इकोनॉमिक अगर जो अफोर्ड कर सकती हैं मेड वगैरह, वो भी नहीं आ रही हैं, तो आपको एटलीस्ट तब भी आपको घर का काम करना है, और जो ऑलरेडी पुअर हैं उन्हें तो करना ही करना है। सेकंड, केयर एज यूजुअल वी नो कि कंपोनेंट ये फीमेल के लिए ही है, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको देना है। और अगर आप मदर हैं और आपके नंबर ऑफ चाइल्ड ज्यादा है या जो भी फैमिली मेंबर्स ज्यादा है, तो नो डाउट वो बर्डन भी आपके ऊपर आ रहा है। तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको वो रोल आपको प्ले करने पड़ रहे हैं, और जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन है वो आपकी बैक साइडेड हो रही। बिकॉज अब जब आती है बात, तो फीमेल थोड़ा सा इमोशनल होती है और उनको लगता है कि लाइफ इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन स्टडी। तो इस टाइम पे आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज थिंकिंग लाइक द सेम, बिकॉज दिस इज माई इमोशंस ऑल्सो। तो कहीं ना कहीं ये सारी चीजें इम्पैक्ट कर रही हैं। बट एनीवे आई थिंक मतलब गवर्नमेंट इज आल्सो थिंकिंग द सेम, दैट्स व्हाई एग्जाम हैज पोस्टपोन्ड। And this crisis also makes us little bit stronger, we can say, because we learned a lot. And now, and it also give us opportunity. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Your video is hello.
Hello. Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. You are visible now. Yeah.
Sorry for interruption. So I think for me it's very difficult to manage all the things, but anyway, support of family and the things which are surrounding me and friends, they all put a good effort so that I can continue my study and do well, and that's why I secured the third rank. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now let me bring in Sobia Sad, ma'am. So welcome, ma'am.
Hi, well, thank you so much for having me.
So, ma'am, my question to you is, being an administrator, how COVID-19 has dulled up the roles and responsibilities on you? What are the challenges, difficulties you are facing, or how you see the COVID-19 pandemic as a different challenge to you? So,
Thanks. First of all, thank you, Alchem IS, for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts. As an administrator, I'm speaking this generally. It's my view. I'm not saying it actually happens, but what am I saying? It's that are my views. You see, administration is a male-oriented field where we see a lot of factors factor in, and not all the women have the opportunity and the affordability and luxury to give this much time and enter into civil services. पहला तो हमारा challenge वहीं पे होता है to enter into it. Then as a male oriented field, we see there are certain stereotypes that we have to fight. कि वुमेन आर बेटर एट होम और डॉक्टर्स, जैसे पूनम मैम ने बड़े अच्छे से बोला कि केयर गिविंग जो फंक्शंस होते हैं, जॉब्स होते हैं, मोस्टली वुमेन आर हेल्ड कि they are good at those jobs, not as administration. There is a stereotype that we are not as efficient as our male counterparts. Then we have this, abhi to COVID-19 mein there's a double whammy going on. As rightly said by Poonam ma'am, कि हमें घर में भी आके केयर जो वाली चीजें हैं वो औरतों को ही करनी होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ मेल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, जैसे हमारी कोविड रिलेटेड ड्यूटीज लगी होती हैं, वी हैव टू स्क्रीन द कोविड पेशेंट्स एंड ऑल. व्हेन अ मेल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कम्स होम, तो ही कैन आइसोलेट हिमसेल्फ वेरी इजीली, एक अलग रूम में जाके ही कैन आइसोलेट. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू वुमेन, आपको घर आके घर का काम भी करना होता है, सो इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. तो बर्डन ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाता है. एंड उसमें व्हेन देयर आर मदर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स, they have more work to do, because woman cannot isolate herself from her child, क्योंकि it's very difficult for her. तो वहाँ पे mental ज्यादा pressure आ जाता है. तो normal times में we have a lot of struggle to do, and these are abnormal times, the struggle increases a lot. These are my points in that.
So continuing with Sobia ma'am. So ma'am, what do you think how online coaching platforms has brought up the equity among the aspirants? So what do you think how online coaching platforms or these coaching institutions online coaching has helped the youth students today? So
Online coaching, as you see, we have seen a boom in online institution in the past few years, and that has worked for the benefit of most of the people, especially the people from poor families and women, because women don't have that much freedom to go out to these cities like Delhi, Pune, and Hyderabad to have coaching there. Similarly is the case with the people from very humble background. They can't even afford that much of money. So online platform, I can see they have given a level playing field to all the aspirants, because, and moreover, the aspirants who don't have the luxury to go out, for example, a person in services like me, I myself preparing for UPSC, I can't go out of my duty to go to those areas and study there. I am at the comfort zone of my home where I can study properly. So this has given a quite a good edge to people who can't afford offline classes, and they have made them equally capable than the people who are economically at advantage to other people.
So would you like to say something about Alchem IS? Have you watched our
yeah, sure. I am just following your Indian Express Demystify series. It's very nice. I can get the gist of all Indian Express, because due to my job, I can't have that much time to study and go through all the newspapers. So every night I come home, I see this and I just revise it. So my current affair portion, I don't have to worry anymore. Thank you for that.
So
And it's free also. So best.
So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now moving towards Shreya ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Meenakshi. Am I audible?
Yeah. So, ma'am, my question to you is: it is said that the window period for preparation for women aspirants is less.
Yes.
Why is it so? And have you also faced that type of that has this also happened to you, that it is considered that there is a burden of marriage on women, on girl child? So
Yeah. So from my personal experience and seeing the society around me, I can very well say that as soon as we are heading towards completing our graduation or 1 2 years after graduation, a kind of talk starts around in our families. Okay, now graduation is being done, so what about the marriage plans and all? So when we say to our family that we want to prepare for services or any other kind of exam, so they are like, okay, how much time you need? There is always, a window period, because ultimately the question is, their answer is that you have to get married. So okay, take 1 2 years. We cannot think of like 6 attempts of UPSC or in just one go. Okay, it will be there. So it is there. Window period is surely there, but it is also depends upon the family, how supportive your family is for you. Uh, it mainly depends upon them. But yeah, being in the Indian society, the pressure is very much there for the girls, and there is a kind of undue pressure. अगर आपके parents आपको नहीं भी बोलेंगे, but the aura around you, the environment around you lets you think, okay, I don't have much time for me, I have to just get selected as soon as possible, I cannot take much time. And there are other challenges as well, just for girls, like saying to your parents that I want to go to Delhi, or as Subia said, I want to go to Delhi or Bangalore or anywhere else just for preparation. Being from a tier 2 cities, it's also difficult. Then even going to an exam center is also difficult. If you are in a tier 2 city, exam centers are always in big cities or the capitals of these states. So you have to get accompanied by someone from your family. Then there are financial burdens also. So there are a lot of problems, and the window period is surely less. So, and many challenges you have to face. So you have to be strong will and courageous to face all these challenges.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Dr. Poonam, ma'am, one more question to you. Ma'am, how women can handle the stress during the COVID-19? What tips do you want to give the women aspirants to the women as in general?
Okay. See, this COVID-19, no doubt, is giving a lot of fear. This is a kind of fear of loss of everything, like a student having fear of their failure, or the kind of attempt, or about a study, and the family loss and the relative loss. So every kind of like fear is there. But particularly if we talk about the aspirants, or especially the women aspirants, so I would say if you are in a condition that you can cherish your hobbies, if like if condition is not too bad in your family, that no doubt then the priority is to take care of them. But if you are in a good, or family is in a good supportive condition, then at least you should cherish your whatever hobby you have, so that you can have some kind of mental peace. And then second is engage yourself. First, you can talk to the person who are having good, like the person whom you feel like you enjoying their company, because this time you can't move anywhere. Everybody is confined in a single room or in a family. So it's like we are in a jail kind of facility where all things are there, but you can't move anywhere. तो वो सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ जो आपको एक साइकोलॉजिकल लग रहा है कि कैद वाली फील आ रही है, उसके लिए यू कैन थिंक कि आप अपने जो भी आपके कलीग्स हैं, जो भी फ्रेंड हैं, उनसे आप बात कर सकते हो किसी भी तरीके की. थर्ड थिंग क्या है, मैं ये भी कहूंगी कि अगर आपके कुछ भी ऐसी राइटिंग की या फिर आपकी कुछ भी ऐसी हॉबीज हैं, राइटिंग इज अ वेरी गुड, बिकॉज अगर आपके कोई भी इमोशंस या इमोशंस ऐसे आते हैं जो नेगेटिव हैं, तो आप उन्हें जस्ट राइट डाउन करिए और उसे टीयर आउट कर दीजिए. तो इससे क्या होगा कि आपको ये फील आएगी कि जो भी नेगेटिविटी थी वो मैंने निकाल दी और उससे मैंने खत्म कर दी. तो एक काइंड ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल रिलीफ देता है, मैं ये कहूंगी. Fourth thing, meditation and yoga. That is very important in this time and for every time, I think, because lifestyle very ruined. I think every aspirant or the young, jitne bhi bacche hain, they do not follow the process early morning उठना and early morning सोना. This is the very disturbing. So now we have to think about it. Most of the things are life related, lifestyle related. So we should work on that. Meditation, exercise. These are also important, along with the good nutritional diet. These are the things. Then I think I should advise that we should follow the things which are online in online platform. That the things like Alchem IS has provided us this opportunity. Because this time we can't concentrate the things. Na? So like the platform which are providing you the crux. लाइक कि जैसे एलकेमाइस ने दिया कि आप इंडियन एक्सप्रेस thoroughly मत पढ़िए बिकॉज दिस टाइम फियर इज दैट वी रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर एंड नेगेटिविटी thought and all. So I think you should concentrate on that so that at least you get the information whatever you want, and you should touch in your study as well, and try to little bit isolate yourself from negative emotions, and read the things, and write the things, and follow the things. I think these are the things basically, and if you feel like more than that, then go for counseling also. So I think these are the tips which everybody has to follow, and female also. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. It might gonna help our viewers and for us too. Now, Shreya, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? What are the challenges and opportunities for the women aspirants during the COVID-19? How women can change this distressing time into their opportunities? Do you want to share something to our future to our aspirants?
Yeah. As we can all see, it's not about the preparation. COVID has brought all of us on the same platform, whether being rich or poor, everybody is on the same platform. So I just want to say to all the women aspirants who always think, and it is a general thinking also, that they are not getting the same opportunities as men or boys of their age group do have the opportunities. So through COVID, all men and women, all the boys and the girls are on the same platform to achieve their dreams. All have the same time and the resources like online coaching and all. So it's just that they can. It's the time that they have to take opportunity from this. Just forget about all the negative vibes that are going around. Just think it as a positive outcome for you. Just take it as a positive thing for you, and just start studying and have this belief. Okay, if you are there, this is a time when you have to explore yourself, your energy, because all the exams are now being postponed. Whether you take your state PCS or the UPSCs, there is an ample of time. Almost all the exams have been postponed to 6 months. So utilize this time for preparing in a good way. Get away from all the negative energies that are going around, because time is same for all. You cannot do anything about it. It's just you can feel positive, and you can do hard work and be consistent. You have to be goal oriented. And believe me, girls have this power to be, strong will and be courageous. Girls have this because, God has himself created us, created us as the creator of this world. So God believes in womanhood. So that is the most important thing. We have to believe in ourselves. Women have to believe in themselves.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Taking closing comments from Sobhya ma'am, Poonam ma'am.
I would like to add on to what Poonam ma'am and Shreya ma'am both have said. They have given very good points. For me, it's like COVID-19 is more of a psychological war for the people who are in isolation, who are healthcare workers, and who are trying for UPSC. It's more of a psychological warfare. And Poonam ma'am has rightly said you should do meditation and yoga. For that, I would like to add, surround yourself with positive people, and it's very difficult to concentrate during these times. So make it a habit, make a schedule, stick to it. You will face some difficulty in first few days, but if you want to stick to it passionately, you can do it. Make a timetable, stick to it. And Shreya ma'am has also said this is the time to introspect yourself, your energy. See what you like, you're passionate about, and make that your hobby, because in UPSC also, the hobby is a very huge part that we take very lightly, that helps us in interview also. So this by taking these steps, you can change this stressing time into opportunities for yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Poonam ma'am.
First of all, I am totally agree with the Sobia as well as Shreya. Whatever they have said, absolutely right. I think every viewer is listening rightly all the things. But one more thing I would like to add is that female is biologically strong, as already one member has said. That is true, and I believe in that women are the inborn managers, so they can manage everything, and
Yeah,
be
ma'am,
it
sure.
exam, be it home chores or other responsibilities. So I think we
So
should believe in that
now it's,
positive vibe
sorry,
and
ma'am,
step
sorry for
positive.
interrupting. So it's time to wrap up the session. I would like to thank you all once again. Pleasure to
Thank you
have
so
you
much.
all. And thank you so much for putting your thoughts across us and to our viewers. So I would like to tell my viewers also, take care of yourself. We are really going through the tough time. Corona pandemic is, disturbing everything. So I just want to make an appeal to my viewers. Take care of yourself, be support of each other, stay at home, maintain social distancing. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Sonakshi ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
Sobhya.
ma'am. Thank you, Alchemist.
Any doubts from the viewers, you can mail us on Contact Alchem, or any quick doubts, you can raise your hand. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.